How to start a vegetable garden. Have you ever dreamt of plucking fresh vegetables from your own backyard? Gardening is not only satisfying but can also bring healthier, tastier ingredients to your table. Let's explore how you can create a bountiful vegetable garden step by step. Your garden success starts with finding the right location. Look for a space that gets at least 6 hours of sunlight daily. Ensure the area has good drainage to avoid pooling water. No yard? No problem. Container gardening on your balcony or patio works wonders too. Healthy soil equals healthy plants. Test your soil's pH to check how acidic or alkaline it is. Aim for neutral soil by adding lime to increase alkalinity or sulfur to boost acidity. Enrich your soil with organic compost for the nutrients your plants crave. Focus on vegetables you enjoy eating. There's no point in planting zucchini if you rarely eat it. For beginners, start small. Lettuce, spinach, or tomatoes are easy options. Create a basic layout on paper to plan where each vegetable will thrive. Companion planting can also boost your crop's health. Vegetables fall into two categories: cool season and warm season. Cool season ones, like radishes and peas, thrive in spring or fall. Warm season vegetables, such as tomatoes and cucumbers, need summer heat. Check your local frost dates and stagger plantings for continuous harvests. Vegetables can be grown from seeds, starter plants, bulbs, or tubers. Seeds are cost-effective and great for fast-growing crops like beans or spinach. Starters save time and are best for slow growers like tomatoes. Potatoes and garlic are fantastic when started from tubers or cloves. Consider raised beds if you want less maintenance and better yields. They offer healthier soil and better drainage. Limited on space? Try vertical gardening with trellises for plants like cucumbers and beans. This maximizes production without needing extra room. Pick a watering schedule. Plants need consistent hydration to grow their best. Mulch around plants to retain moisture and prevent weeds. Keep an eye out for pests and diseases, and use organic remedies to address any problems early. Harvesting is the ultimate reward. Pick vegetables when ripe and either enjoy them fresh or preserve them by freezing or canning. Didn't get the results you wanted this season? Learn from the experience, tackle the issues next year, and celebrate your success. Starting your own vegetable garden is easier than you think. So grab your gloves, dig in, and let nature fill your plates with homegrown goodness. Happy gardening!